Good morning, dear students. I am teaching chapter 15. Name of chapter 15 is the light. Chapter 15, light. Chapter 15, light. And to study the change in position, size and nature of image formed in a concave mirror with the change in position of object. Materials require a concave mirror, a white cardboard screen, plasticine, candle, matchbox, a meter, scale. Method: place the concave mirror in an upright position on the table and hold it by plasticine as shown in the diagram. 15 point A and 15 point B. Then you can see that place a meter scale along the concave mirror such that zero end of it corresponds to the position of the concave mirror. When we will see in the diagram, when lighted candle place and concave mirror, and in between you will place cardboard mirror in front of the reflecting surface of the mirror. Place a lighted candle at a distance of about 70 centimeter and place a white strip cardboard in between the concave mirror and the lighted candle and move the cardboard back or forward. Then you will notice that at some point a well-defined image of the of flame of candle is formed on the cardboard, and this image is inverted and diminished in size. Now move the lighted candle to a distance of 30 centimeter from the concave mirror and place the white strip cardboard behind the light. In second situation, you will place a strip cardboard behind the and place the white strip cardboard behind the lighted candle as shown in the figure 15.5b and move the cardboard back or forward. You will notice that at some point a well-defined image of the flame of the candle is formed on the strip cardboard, and this image is enlarged and inverted. Thus the activity clearly proves that the position and the size of the image change with the change in position of the object from the concave mirror. So what is the conclusion drawn from this activity? Conclusion we are getting from this activity: when an object is held close to the concave mirror, then it forms a virtual, erect and magnified image. It forms virtual, erect and magnified image, and when an object is gradually moved away from a concave mirror, it forms real, inverted and enlarged image. However, as the distance becomes more, the image remains real and inverted but gradually decreases in size till it becomes very small. Concave mirror forms an inverted and diminished image. Activity 15.6. To study the change in position, size and nature of image formed in a convex mirror with the change in the position of object. For this activity, what materials are required? Convex mirror, white cardboard screen, plasticine, candle, matchbox and a meter scale. What you will do? Place the convex mirror in an upright position on the table and hold it with the plasticine as shown in the figure 15.6, and then place the meter scale along the convex mirror and such that its zero end corresponds to the position of the mirror, and in front of the reflecting surface of the mirror, it places a lighted candle at a distance of about 70 centimeter. What you will find? Then you have to place a strip cardboard screen in between the convex mirror and the lighted candle. Then move the cardboard back or forward. Then you will see that you obtain an image, and this image is formed on the screen anywhere between the candle and the convex mirror. When you will look in the mirror, a virtual, erect and diminished image of the candle flame is visible.